Hey guys, it's Jenifer from Smile again, and this week I'm gonna show you guys how I keep my teeth clean with our electric toothbrush. Brushing your teeth in general is already very important, but it gets even more important with braces because of all the brackets and wires inside of your mouth.
So this is what's included in our Sonic toothbrush set. It comes in black and white, and this is the white one. And it comes with obviously the toothbrush and this travel case that's super sleek, perfect for traveling, and it keeps everything protected from germs. It also comes with 6 replacement heads total, as well as a charger cable and a charging stand. The toothbrush features 5 modes: clean, white, polished, massage, and sensitive for different oral care needs. The 48,000 vibrations per minute technology that our electric toothbrush has removes up to 99.99% of plaque buildup and also aids in whitening your teeth without any damage.
So I'm gonna be using the sensitive mode today to make sure that I don't mess up anything inside of my mouth, and yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys.
I'm using the My Smile Purple toothpaste here with the electric toothbrush because it is a great addition to whiten teeth. After choosing my mode of choice, the electric toothbrush starts a 2-minute smart timer. It makes it easy for me because I don't have to worry if I have over or under brushed my teeth.
However, in addition to the brushing, it would be helpful to avoid all these foods such as chips, candy, and soda to keep your teeth clean and healthy.